We are live in the blizzard called Izzy. And if you see behind me, it is snow covered. And we're halfway through, not even halfway through the real blizzard. So I wanted you to see what exactly it looks like from my vantage point. So I'm going to give you a round the area look. The plows are out. Not too many cars are out as requested by sports.
That?
A sports.
Yeah.
There's a Steeler game going on right now.
Shit.
Yeah, it's pretty bad out as far as
We're not
like
supposed
the
to be out there.
roads.
We're
Here's
supposed to be in at night.
a look at the roads. And not a car out. There might be one car out. Look, there's one truck out.
What'd you say?
He said it's snowing. No kidding. So anyway, that's our report. Thank you for listening.